Hey guys, just finished installing a OEM Retrofit PDC from Bimmer Tech, and this is where you have to drill the hole for the rear PDC harness to enter the car, and all the wires I have it tied in and taped up to the original harness, and that's it. It's in. It's already coated. You could actually coat your car just like this. Just make sure all the electrical connectors are connected, and that's it. And for the rear, and this is where the REM is located. They sent me a new one, and all the wires for the front and rear goes into this 54 pin connector. All the wires from the front comes from here down to that plug, and the rear comes from my drill point here up to here. And here is the old REM that was on my car. Here is my old buttons for my drive logics system, and that's the rear directions here, and that's the front, and that's how to remove the center console, because you have to do that. Let's show you. And here's my original bumpers. I haven't punched the holes yet. I'm gonna get it punched instead of drilling it, and assemble back the car after that's done. And I temporarily hang them from the front PDC on the car, but they're supposed to hang on those holders right there, going across, and that's where you're gonna hang your front harness. So this is just temporary for my coating to get done. I didn't want to have the car done and don't have it ready, so kind of jumped the gun there and coat it first, which I think is smart. And here's the inside. I had to take out the whole center console here. It's probably held in by 4 bolts, and this is the whole unit here. You get this whole place here brand new, and there's a 2-pin cable you gotta put to this blue connector below here, and the other connector goes to this unit right below here. I think it's called a CUI or something like that. This is it, and I start it up. That's it. And if you put it in reverse, PDC works just like factory. It's all OEM stuff. And you could turn it off right here. Turn it back on if you don't want to hear it. It's pretty easy, guys. You could do it. Once you know how to change a spark plug and a couple of fuses on a car, you just have to read the directions and take your time and do it. It took me 2 days to do it. And my hole that I drew, I had to use a step bit. Do not use anything else but a step bit to drill that hole. And the step bit is not here. Can't find it, but use a step bit. It's a 40 mil step bit. You could get it on Amazon. And I have some joint seal that I get from a auto repair shop. That's whenever they weld or join any metal on cars, they use that seal to prevent rust. It's just as the same as this seal that BMW used from factory. I put that around the hole, so I'm just waiting for it to dry so I could push this grommet on in and forget about it. And I actually painted it before I put that joint seal on there. So you could use your touch-up paint, touch it up first, and then put the joint seal. You never have to worry about that. And that's it. Thank you guys. You could do it. And shout out to Nelson from Bimmer Tech out of Orlando. All right, thank you.